We will use as an example for IT professionals and show you how you can manage your IT project in the timeline. Let's say we are developing Android application and plan to release it on May 8th. I have made an event corresponding to release date here. So we will create two percentage bars to indicate our progress. First one will be called development. So we click here and choose percentage. On the right side we put name, development and some description. We choose the start date 1st of August and the end date 1st of April. Let's assume we have completed the project by 83%. Here we can change the colors of percentage bar. Also, you can add a picture, YouTube video, location on the map, or add a file. I'm gonna add a picture from my computer. The new thing on time graphics is tags. So let's add two tags called development and progress. If you want new ones, you just type the name and click create. Now we want to add testing phase of our application. So we click here and choose percentage. Put the name and description. Then we choose the date. We started testing on November 1st, and the end date will be release date. Then I want to change the colors. Choose percentage. So for example, today we have tested 44%. Add the picture, text. Now we have visualized current progress of our Android project on the timeline using percentage bars. Let's save it and see the result. So if you click on development, you will see the progress, tags, the name, description and the picture. Thanks for watching our tutorial.